Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Excel versus Havoc boats. Excel boats are often recognized for their robust build, designed to withstand demanding conditions, making them a favorite for serious outdoorsmen. Havoc boats, on the other hand, are celebrated for their speed and agility, often appealing to those who prioritize quick maneuvers and high performance. Both brands excel in crafting specialized aluminum boats for hunting and fishing in shallow waters, but their design philosophies offer distinct advantages depending on your primary use. When we look at construction, Excel boats typically feature a heavier gauge aluminum hull, providing exceptional durability for navigating tough environments and absorbing impacts. Havoc boats, conversely, often utilize a slightly lighter gauge aluminum, focusing on reducing overall weight to maximize speed and fuel efficiency. Both manufacturers employ high-quality marine-grade aluminum and fully welded seams, ensuring a strong, reliable, and long-lasting hull that can withstand the rigors of outdoor adventures. Regarding performance, Havoc boats are engineered with a focus on speed and quick planing, often featuring advanced hull designs that cut through water efficiently for impressive top-end speeds and nimble handling. Excel boats, while still capable, tend to prioritize stability and a smoother ride, especially in choppy waters, offering a more predictable and comfortable experience. The specific hull design, combined with engine choice, plays a crucial role in how each boat performs, catering to different preferences for speed versus stability. When it comes to features and customization, Excel boats often come with practical, well-thought-out layouts designed for specific hunting and fishing scenarios, including ample storage and comfortable seating. Havoc boats are highly regarded for their extensive customization options, allowing owners to tailor nearly every aspect of their boat, from deck configurations to accessory placement, to perfectly match their individual needs and preferences. Both brands offer various console styles and accessory packages, but Havoc generally provides more flexibility for a truly personalized vessel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.